All right, I'm back. Sorry for the long hiatus, hiatus or whatever on this channel because I've moved and Christmas time and a lot of things just is happening right now. I'm in a new office now. I got to get all of this together again. That's gonna be another video where I talk to you guys about everything I need to do in here in order to get it set up the way I'm gonna do it because we're gonna do a lot of things a little bit differently. Um, Also, other upcoming videos, my Tascam, which I just got, is dead. It can't be powered by USB anymore. It can be powered by batteries, but I get nothing from the mic inputs, and it's just a real pain. Yeah, it's a real damn shame. So I'm looking for a replacement for this. That's gonna be another video. Don't think I forgot about the fact that we also have to work on our keyboard that we just recently got. Gonna be doing the mods for that, so stay tuned for that as well. Just trying to keep you guys up to date on the things that are coming. However, this particular video is going to be really short because we're just going to do a couple of unboxings, things I got for Christmas, starting with the Gigabyte Aorus Master. Let's get into it. All right, let's finally unbox this thing. Again, this is the Aorus Master. The first thing I realized is this board is freaking heavy. You get some stickers. If you're someone who loves stickers, there's plenty of them here. I'm not. You can also get your instruction booklet, which is literally like the size of a Bible or something. Can't forget that you also get the cables with this. You have cable ties, serial TA cables. Mixed in here is also a very little screw, which I hope I don't lose for the M4 drives. I definitely need that. And on the other side, of course, is more of the same, better cable ties, and now the Wi-Fi hardware as well, along with the speaker thing. If you actually use that, you don't need the speakers because if you look on the board itself, you actually have the error code readout, which we'll see here shortly. And here is the board. You can't tell, but over the IO shield is an RGB area. Down below, we have a ton of connections. You got USB 2, USB 3 connections, lots of fan headers, your usual PCI ports. Hidden underneath that shield is the M4 drives. We have a huge power bank area for overclocking and giving power to the CPU. And what I'm more concerned about here is the IO. Tons of USB and a USB-C port and a 2.5 gig slot as well. Yes, the audio areas, which is not as important these days. Every motherboard has great audio. So now let's go ahead and get it installed. You guys don't have to forgive me on this one. I actually didn't have any thermal paste and I didn't realize that, so I have to move the CPU over with the current thermal paste on it without removing it. Definitely not something you want to do, but thankfully this worked out just fine. I didn't ruin my 5900X CPU. The differences between the Gaming X and the Aorus Master is quite apparent here. All right, everything's installed, all good, all running great. All I gotta do is some BIOS updates and things of that matter, and we are solid. The main things that I got that board for, because it was $300 something and I didn't get it. Actually, it was my wife who got it, and I need to do a plug for our channel in just a little bit. You'll hear about it. But the main things I like about that board is I finally can X the network card I had in it, which was the TrendNet 2.5 gig network card, which when came in and out sometimes, I will lose a connection and I have to unplug the cable and plug it back in order to get my internet back on my computer, which it was really weird. It started happening more and more. So I'm happy to get rid of that now that I have 2.5 gig built into the board. Another thing I can get rid of is the Wi-Fi card. There's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built into the board now, and I'm happy that I can finally get rid of that and have a much cleaner build. So overall, it was just positive, not to mention the tons of extra ports that's on this board. So it's a lot more flexible in terms of setups and things I can do in the future if I wanted to. But you know that much later next year, I'm probably going to be hopping over to the AM5 platform. So this is probably going to be the last AM4 upgrade for patients. However, don't forget that we are going to be doing the 7900 XTX upgrade. I'm definitely going to get that card. I don't know which version of the card I'm going to get, or if I'm just going to get the stock one, probably just a stock one. But before we get into the next unboxing here. If you guys are into home cooking, recipes, food, and things of that matter, if you're foodies and all that, check out Misha's Corner. It's an awesome channel. I have a link in the description and somewhere around the video as well for you to go check out her channel. That is obviously done by my wife. She's an amazing YouTuber. She's been doing this for quite a while, and her channel is actually much bigger than mine. Definitely more consistent than me. So check it out whenever you get a chance. And now let's hop over into the next unboxing, which is actually a security camera from Ring. This is the Floodlight security cam. This is going to be a short unboxing. This is not a brand new product of any kind. It's just brand new for me. And I want to do a little unboxing for you. So here we go. All right, unboxing the Ring Floodlight. This is actually the wireless version, but you have to remember this is the Floodlight. So it's wireless in terms of internet, which is great for me, but it's not actually wireless. I have to get an electrician to actually do the install itself. There's some hardware here that you can see right here to do the mount. And then here's the light. So you have these huge floodlights on the front along with the camera and all that. And it's gonna look great once it's installed. And then here's the back part where you can clearly see that there's all wires there. You have to run some wires to it in order to power the camera. But that's gonna be for whoever I get to install this. For now, let's go ahead and get it back into the box and get on with the rest of the video. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Just a slight PSA in case you have forgotten. It's okay to upgrade within your generation when it comes to PC parts. Just like I did now for this motherboard, check out any deals you see coming around for your current generation. If you're on AM4 or if you're on Intel and you're on the older generation or whatever it is, check out what's out there. You don't have to immediately jump into the brand new thing if you don't want to. However, if you do want to, then do that. You don't need a reason. If you just want it, that's a good enough reason. Spend wisely. Don't overspend and blow your bank or blow the rent on trying to upgrade or buy tech or anything like that. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this little bitty video. I'll be coming back with you for definitely some more videos really soon. You have a good one. Bye.